Hi guys, my name is Ajinkya Sunil Hevlikar. I am student of TY Electrical in Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. Guide and teacher Professor V.K. Chaudhary ma'am. Subject is switchgear and protection. Today's topic is SF6 circuit breaker and construction working types, advantages and disadvantages of SF6 circuit breaker. Content: Introduction of SF6 circuit breaker, construction types, working, advantages, disadvantages of SF6 circuit breaker. Introduction: A circuit breaker in which the current carrying contacts operate in sulfur hexafluoride gas is known as SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 has excellent insulating properties, has high electronegativity, that means high affinity of absorbing free electron. Whenever a free electron collides with the SF6 gas molecule, it is absorbed by that gas molecule and forms a negative ion. The attachment of electron with SF gas molecules may occur into different ways. These negative ions obviously much heavier than free electron, and therefore overall mobility of the charged particle in the SF6 gas is much less than compared to the common gases. We know that mobility of the charged particle is majorly responsible for conducting current through a gas. Hence, the heavier and less mobile charged particle SF6 gases acquires very high dielectric strength. Not only the gas has a good dielectric strength, but also it has the unique property of fast recombination of after the source energizing the spark is removed. The gas has also very good heat transfer property due to its low gaseous viscosity. Because of less molecular mobility, SF6 gas can efficiently transfer heat by convection. So due to its high dielectric strength and high cooling effect, SF6 gas is approximately 100 times more effective arc quenching medium than air. Due to this unique property of this gas, SF6 circuit breaker is used in complete range of medium voltage and high voltage electrical power system. These circuit breakers are available for the voltage ranges from 33 kV to 800 kV and even more. Construction of SF6 circuit breaker. SF6 circuit breaker consists of fixed and moving contact enclosed in chamber. The chamber is called arc interruption chamber, which contains the SF6 gas and connected to the SF6 gas reservoir. A valve mechanism is there to permit the gas to the arc interruption chamber when the contact of breaker are open. The valve mechanism permits a high pressure SF6 gas from the reservoir to flow towards the arc interruption chamber. The fixed contact in the hollow cylindrical current carrying contact fitted with the arc horn. The moving contact is also hollow cylinder with rectangular holes in the sides. The holes permitted the SF6 gas to let out from the after flowing along and across the arc. The tips of fixed contact, moving contact and arcing horn are coated with copper tungsten arc resistant material. Since SF6 gas is costly, it is reconditioned and reclaimed using suitable auxiliary system after each operation of breaker. Types of SF6 circuit breaker: non-puffer piston circuit breaker, single puffer piston circuit breaker, double puffer piston circuit breaker. Working of SF6 circuit breaker: in the closed position of the breaker, the contact remains surrounded SF6 gas pressure about 2.8 kg per centimeter square. When the breaker operates, the moving contact is pulled apart and an arc is struck between the contacts. The movement of the moving contact is synchronized with the opening of the valve, which permits SF6 gas at 14 kg per centimeter square pressure from the reservoir to the arc interruption chamber. The high pressure from the SF6 rapidly absorbs the free electron in the arc path to form immobile negative ions, which are ineffective as charge carrier. Working of puffer type circuit breaker: hence the piston is fixed but the cylinder is movable. The cylinder is tied to the moving contact so that the opening breaker the cylinder along with the moving contact moves away from the fixed contact. In the figure A, you will see, but due to this presence of fixed piston of the SF6 gas inside the cylinder is compressed The compressed SF6 gas flows through the nozzle and over the electric arc in axial direction. Due to heat convection and radiation, the arc reduces gradually and the arc is finally extinguished at the current zero. The dielectric strength of the medium between separate contacts increases rapidly and restores quickly as fresh SF6 gas fills the space. This is the diagram of upper type SF6 circuit breaker. Advantages of SF6. Due to superior arc quenching property of the SF6 gas, the SF6 circuit breaker have many advantages over oil and air circuit breaker, which are listed below. Due to superior arc quenching property of SF6, such circuit breaker have very short arcing time. Since the dielectric strength of the SF6 gas is 2 to 3 times than operation tube, unlike of air, such breakers can interrupt much larger current. The SF6 circuit breaker gives noiseless operation due its closed gas circuit and no exhaust to atmospheric. Unlike the air blast circuit breaker, there is no reduction in the dielectric strength because no carbon particles are formed during arcing. Disadvantages of SF circuit breaker. The SF6 gas is identified as a greenhouse gas. Safety regulations are being introduced in many countries in order to prevent its release into atmosphere. Puffer type design SF6 circuit breakers needs high mechanical energy, which almost 5 times greater than of oil circuit breaker. SF6 gas is suffocating to some extent. In case of leakage in the breaker tank, the SF6 gas being heavier than the air and hence SF6 are settled in the surrounding and lead to the suffocation of the operating personnel. Thank you. This is the working and construction advantages, disadvantages of SF6 circuit breaker.